Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our last week. So this is your final personal learning plan. So it's kind of like a final exam paper. It's really a reflective paper looking at your time in this class. So we're going to create a personal learning program or plan for continuing to develop your self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and your leadership. So the personal learning plan, here are the pieces. 1, create a personal vision related to leading inclusively, or DE&I. So that's personal, again, having you think about moving forward. What is it you're trying to accomplish? And then take a look at and expand on your development of emotional intelligence competencies. So choose 2 competencies from either your own analysis or feedback that you got others related to your goal. So in terms of helping you accomplish this vision for leading inclusively, what 2 emotional and social competencies that you have as strengths will really help you moving forward. Explain why you choose each, and at least one way you'll use this strength in support of your vision. Then choose 2 competencies that you want to further develop. So explain why again, create a specific goal, and then create some action steps. How can you develop this competency? So this is what we did last week. The focus there was on developing empathy. So do a little bit of research and see how you might develop those competencies that you want to work on. And then IDI development plan. So when we met, we talked a little bit about this. So just summarize your results and then include your completed plan with responses to section 1, section 2, and then section 4. Complete at least 2 activities. Again, if you have another activity that you can engage in that you think would be helpful, then feel free to substitute your own activity. But take 2 actions or complete 2 activities related to your plan, and finally a conclusion. So give us some feedback, talk about your learning and the feasibility of your plan. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to learning about your learning. Have a good week.